respect. That you have to respect first and foremost yourselves, and other palagi respect begets respect. And you have to respect also one another, especially in marriage. Knowing that in marriage, one's uniqueness and originality never ceases after marriage. Di man mawagtang ang imong pagkaikawalan, di mawagtang ang imong pagkaikaw, Michelle, human sa kaminsoon. And it is something that you need to respect and you need to recognize and acknowledge. There is a tendency of a couple that after marriage, there seems to be a concept of after marriage, one is possessing one another. Wala makalong ka, at last, ahog na kasugabon, nagkatapunan mo ka nakapalagi sa hutang. Na you have that utmost power and responsibility to do what you think and what you wish to do with your possession. But you are not possessing one another in marriage. You belong to one another. Mamagaling ka in the sacrament of marriage, you two no longer be two, but one. Apan, bisan pa man kung nanahimo na mo sa your individuality, your originality, and your uniqueness will never cease. Dili na sa mawagtang, magpapili na. And it's something that you have to acknowledge every day. That that's him, and that's her. You did not to change who he is not and who she is not. Dapat ito gusto may asawa sa asawa who approached a priest asking some advices, complaining a lot of many things. Kaghakas ang ipang complain, kagsigig pagutbuti, kahit kulong o lagi sa isang bana. O ngayon sa, Father, tupot ka sa mga pamilya, kaya di ka sa mamati ang panak sa sakon. Ngayon po ng paring so, it's actually easy if you really want to live a peaceful and harmonious life. It's actually easy. Marami nung po, ngayon po kasawa, Father, that my husband is very hard-headed. Di ka ni mamati ako isulti, di ka ni mamati ako sa aking buhaton. Ngayon po paring, well, it will be very harmonious and easy if you don't try too hard to change your husband. Masang nas na nabubot, kung naghuna-huna ka, na asawa o bana ay hindi ka minso, gusto mong inana ka, gusto mong baon ni mahitabunin mo, gusto mong mainana ka. Again, your individuality, uniqueness, and originality never ceases after marriage, and even within marriage. It will always be there. And it's something that you acknowledge and you have to respect. You have to complement with one another. Kung sa magaling mo nakita, kawan isa ng gusto din mo makita, then ikaw mo supplement. Ikaw mo complement. Ikaw mo fill in. Mata ko sa fill in. Aron, why ka kuliga? Aron, why ka bukod? Because respect